Let me teach y'all an easy way to make a bucket of pho so you're not paying like $15 for a bowl. First, you're gonna start with an assortment of beef bones. You can use whatever you want. These soup bones were really cheap, and then these knuckle bones I got from the Asian market. Preheat an oven to 400 degrees. You're also gonna chop up some ginger and onion. Roast them for 30 minutes, then flip them over and roast them for another 30 minutes. This is what they should look like. It's already gonna start to smell amazing in your house. Take all those things, throw them in a big ass pot, and then I got this assortment of spices from the Asian market. Toast them for a couple of minutes on low. You don't want them to burn. I got way too excited and started to pour them in my pot. Don't do that. Put them in a cheesecloth. After you put them in a cheesecloth, you're gonna wanna fill the pot up with water or chicken stock. And then I'm gonna use about 1/3 of a cup of this crab brand fish sauce, and then a little bit extra because I like fish sauce. I'm also gonna add anchovies for the umami flavor. I cooked my broth for about 7 hours, but you can cook it for up to 24 hours. And then I boiled some vermicelli noodles. You're gonna rinse those with cold water. For my protein, I'm gonna add some shredded chicken. I also cooked in that broth. And then I'm gonna ladle some of that delicious broth over the chicken and noodles. For the toppings, you can use your favorite. This is my fiance's bowl, so he gets a big scoop of chili oil. I'm gonna use some Thai basil and then also some cilantro. And then this is about as much chili oil as my IBS can handle, don't judge me. And then a little bit of hoisin sauce and then some lime juice because I did not have fresh limes. You can also use bean sprouts as a topping. But this is what it looks like. I was able to feed myself, my fiance, my neighbors, and we had leftovers for 2 more nights. It's delicious and filling. You guys have to try this recipe.